Hello guys, and welcome to my first ever how-to video. So today, I am gonna show you how I created Denji from Chainsaw Man. I actually 3D printed this and it's kinda cool. I call it 2D anime art. So let's go guys, let me show you the first step. So hello again guys, and here we have the 3D printing process. First, we print the base layer or the white layer on the bottom to give the model its form. Then next, we print the black lines on top to make the outline of Denji. The printer is currently printing the last layer or the black lines on top on this Denji 2D anime art. It's actually really cool and awesome on how this printer works. So if you want to learn more about 3D printing and creating 2D anime art, please click that like and subscribe button. And here it is guys, freshly baked Denji. Now I made the model a little thick so it can stand on its own. And now on to the next part. So welcome guys to the third and last part of this video, coloring. So coloring is actually the most fun and satisfying part on how to create Denji. This will be a quick time lapse so you can see my process. Now first, let's start by adding this light skin color on Denji's face. After that, we then use this darker colored skin marker to blend with the original light color. After blending the light and dark skin color markers, I then use tissue paper to get rid of the excess colors. This gives Denji's face a nice natural brown look, as you guys can see. Next part is we paint the hair. Now Denji has this bright orange color, and today we are gonna use this Sharpie orange brush pen. So some coloring time lapse. I hope you guys enjoy. It's actually so satisfying when you do it. So after coloring the hair, we then proceed with the mouth or the tongue first. So a bright red color on the tongue. Then for the inside of its mouth, we paint it black. And after that, we put some brown highlights on Denji's hair. Add some red color for the eyes. And then some final few touches. And then there we have it guys. Here we have Denji. So all in all guys, I think we did a pretty good job on coloring this Denji. Now I'm still a beginner artist, and if you want to see my journey, please click that like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello guys, and today we are gonna create this Oops, my bad. Okay, Denji's okay, he's strong.